Hey everyone, welcome back to Searchgiks. I'm Shashwati, and in today's video, we are going to talk about a super important topic in digital marketing, click-through rate. If you are running a Google Ads or managing online marketing campaign, understanding a CTR is a really a game changer for all because it tell you whether your ad is actually working for your ads campaign or just wasting your lots of money. So stay with me till end, and by the time you finish this video, you will know exactly what is CTR and why it mattered for your success. First, we need to know what is CTR. CTR, if you know CTR, CTR is stand for click-through rate. It is a simple but powerful metric that show the percentage of people who saw your ad and click on it. First, we need to know what we are going to cover up in this video. In this video, we cover what is CTR, what is the formula of CTR, and why CTR is so important in Google Ads. Yeah, what is a good CTR? Okay, so let's start. And I'm sharing my screen with you. We need to understand what is CTR. Okay, it is a simple but very powerful metric that shows the percentage of people who saw your ad and click on it. Okay, so it's a like very simple thing and very powerful thing as well in Google Ads. So what is the formula of CTR? CTR is, click-through rate is equal to number of clicks divided by number of impression into 100. Okay, so for example, if your ad was shown to 1,000 times, okay, and 50 people click on it, your click-through rate would be 50 divided by 1,000 into 100. It would be 5% CTR. Okay, hope you're getting the words. 1,000 times our ad is visible to 1,000 times, and number of people click on our ad is 50 people. So when we analyze the use the formula, number of clicks divided by number of impression, okay, into 100, it's a it the answer will be 5%. Okay. Okay, so let me explain the four biggest reason why CTR is so important and people why CTR is so important in Google Ads. Okay, so measure of relevancy. Okay, the hope you are getting these 5 points I'm showing in my screen. These are the five major points why CTR is more important. More important. Okay, so first is measure of relevancy. So higher CTR tell Google that your ad is useful and relevant to user. Most four important way why CTR is so measure of relevancy. The more relevant your ad, the more click you get. Okay, so the more user will come. The relevancy of ad is very important. If your ad is relevant to the user end users, the automatically click will increase. So CTR is that's why CTR is very important. Second is improve your quality score. Higher quality score and low that and it's impact the lower cost of click. Improve your quality score. Higher quality score is equal is impact the lower cost per click and better and is directly equal to better ad placements. Okay, and Google so Google and it's directly impact your ad placement. Google ads calculate something called so as we already talk about a lot about quality score as well in previous videos as well, and CTI is the most important factor, and that's why the CTI is the most important factor of quality score. So so it directly impact the good quality score. It's impact lower click CPC, our CPC. and better ad placement. Our ad will be more relevant. Okay. And third point, the most important point, cost efficiency. A better CTR means clicks without increasing your ad spend. So hope you are getting this point. Cost efficiency. A better CTR means your ad cost of your ad is reduced, or sometimes your more clicks and sometimes more clicks without spending a lot of money or increasing your budget. Your budget part is constant. If your ad is good, quality score is good, it's impact multiple things, so it all are interlinked. Okay. And the last is signals user interest. See, strong CTR means your ad copy or images you offer or resonate with your audience. Okay. Eh, see, last and the most important point, signals user interest. Okay. Strong CTR means your strong ad copy. It's also offer a good strong ad copy, strong imager of, and offer a resonate with your and directly resonate with your audience. If your CTR is low, it's a sign that you need to improve your targeting or messages. See, hope you're getting my point. The if CTR is low, so it's time to improve your quality score, your target audience, your ad placement. You have to improve all of this. Why CTR is so important? Okay. And now we are going to the third point. What is good CTR? How can you rate a good CTR? It's very important. How can you rate this is the good CTR? And now we discuss the another 2 point. Now we come up with the another 2 point. Now come up with the third. What is good CTR? How can you rate a this CTR is good, this CTR is bad? You are now you understood the CTR important. Same way, the important of CTR, good CTR, you have to know the, you can checklist the point, this is the good CTR. Okay. So what is a good CTR? So these are the two major point. um, uh, Two type of, like, it's always vary or depend on the industries or campaign type of industries, like product industry have different ways of calculating CTR, or it totally depend upon the type of campaign. But I'm telling you in the basic of, like, you can give a rate. Suppose for search ad you can give 3% to 5% CTR is generally good. Okay. And for display campaign around 0.5% is normal, because display ads get fewer clicks. Okay. Hope you get this point. For search ad you can get the 3% to 5% data. It's really good. So, and if you like this map, so you can also copy this map. If you want this mind map, I'll give you. And now I'm giving one more important detail. And always compare your CTR against see, and what these are the good CTR. And you can not only judge on this percentage, but you can always compare your CTR with your respective industries. You have some benchmark in your industry, so always compare your ad according to your industry. Hope you're getting this point. Good CTR, first compare with your industry, like e-commerce industry or product related industry, or you have a no, whatever kind of industry. So focus on your industry. And just a basic info, your search ad is 30 to 5% CTR is really good. And in a display ad around 0 to 5% is normal, because we can show the display, but we generally didn't get any mm, clicks, so it's normal. Okay, so and focus, and also try to focus more on headlines, ad copy, targeting. Then your CTR gets automatically in good way. Okay, so I'll break down the CTR in very simple way. So hope you getting the point of CTR, how CTR work, important of CTR. Always, and I suggest always try to monitor your CTR, CTR to make smarter decision in your Google ads. Okay, and yeah, hope you get all the points. And hope you find this video interesting, and I'll give you all the basic information like what is CTR, importance of CTR. Like I try to familiar with all the basic key term of in CTR. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you found this video are really helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So if you have any questions, so please drop and I'll try to answer all your questions. Okay, and yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end, and yeah, see you in the next video. Yeah, till then, bye.